Light color first. Shiny somewhere. Now, I put them in the inside because I like to open up my eyes, but if you already have pretty open eyes, you want to put it just on the middle. Okay. Start with kind of a neutral brown. Don't go straight for the dark colors. Build up. Start light and then go dark. I want to build up the color. Now, I go in about 3/4 of a way. You can go all the way if you have wide eyes and you want to close them up. Now I'm going with my dark color. With this brush. To my corner. I'm always brushing up. I'm kind of using more of the angled. Utilize your brushes and let them do the work. You guys want to blend your crease. You want your crease right above your lash line, right here. Okay?